To install VLC on Mac, start by opening a web browser and navigating to the official VLC Media Player website. Click on the download button to obtain the latest version of VLC. Once the download is complete, locate the VLC installation file, which should be in your Downloads folder. Open the installation file and follow the prompts to begin the installation process. You will be asked to drag the VLC icon to the Applications folder, which is the standard location for installing applications on a Mac. After dragging the VLC icon to the Applications folder, you may be prompted to enter your administrator password to complete the installation. Enter your password and click OK to finish the installation. Once the installation is complete, you can find VLC in your Applications folder. You can also drag the VLC icon to your dock for easy access. To launch VLC, simply click on the VLC icon, either in the Applications folder or in the dock. VLC is now installed on your Mac and you can use it to play various types of media files, including videos, audio files, and DVDs. You can also customize VLC settings to suit your preferences, such as changing the skin or configuring playback options. It is essential to only download VLC from the official website to ensure you are getting a safe and genuine copy of the software. Additionally, keep your VLC installation up to date to benefit from the latest features and security patches. By following these steps, you can easily install VLC on your Mac and enjoy a powerful and flexible media player.